Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in a Moka pot. First, fill the lower chamber with cold water, ensuring it reaches just below the safety valve. Next, grind your coffee beans to a medium-fine consistency, similar to table salt. Carefully add the ground coffee to the filter basket, making sure not to tamp it down. This prepares your pot for brewing. Now, firmly screw the upper and lower sections of the Moka pot together. Place the assembled pot on your stovetop over medium heat. Keep an eye on it. You'll soon see a steady stream of rich, dark coffee begin to flow into the upper chamber. Listen for the gentle gurgling sound, indicating the brewing process is underway. As the coffee begins to flow steadily, reduce the heat slightly. This helps prevent over-extraction and a burnt taste, ensuring a smoother brew. Once the coffee stream lightens in color and you hear a sputtering sound, immediately remove the Moka pot from the heat. This ensures you capture the best flavor without bitterness. Your delicious Moka pot coffee is ready. Carefully pour it into your favorite cup and enjoy. For the best taste next time, remember to clean your Moka pot thoroughly after each use. Let it cool completely before disassembling and washing with warm water, avoiding harsh detergents.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.